Here's a fun fact. Did you know humans are able to process up to 500,000 images per second and react to auditory signals within 10 milliseconds? But the average reader only processes 3 words per second. When you ask yourself the question, how do I get people to use self-service knowledge? The brain science is clear. Written resources don't work. Chatbot help files won't cut it. Leveraging the incredible power of visual and audio-based learning through videos is the most natural and engaging way for today's learners to consume information. Knowledge Accelerators helps you deliver IT video knowledge into your IT service management systems with AI integrated support. Our micro-learning videos are always short, dynamic, focused, curated, delivered automatically, and built using scientific principles. Our videos are available in the 8 different languages, matching with 92% of the world's GDP. With our dynamic content, we stay ahead of the curve by adapting to the hundreds of changes Microsoft makes to their productivity applications each month. Updates to your system are automated and seamlessly integrated. Within just 1 hour, you can have our system installed, fully operational, and deliver up-to-date video content directly to your end users without the need to update files. Knowledge Accelerators provides videos to enhance your self-service knowledge. Let us tell you more.